I just want to say thank you for tuning into this channel. Thank you for tuning into this channel. Thank you for taking the time out to look at whatever I'm putting out there. A lot of people keep asking me, well, why did you decide to do YouTube? Or why YouTube? Or what's your channel about? And sometimes I just want to say, does it really matter? Just watch it. Just subscribe. I mean, come on. Do your boy a favor. Like, I need them subscribes. I need them likes. I need them comments. If you want to see something on this channel, just tell me. Because, hey, I'm going to make it happen. I'm here with a plan of action. All I'm here to do is, draw in to you for you can see me. And hopefully, like I say, this is me starting out, and in due time you'll see that I'm here to create some content that everybody's into. Like, who's not watching YouTube right now? I'm watching YouTube, I'm watching Fire Stick, I'm watching Netflix, I'm watching Hulu, I'm watching Amazon Prime, just whatever. I'm watching all of that. Pluto, TV, like just whatever I can, I'm watching all of that. And, if you're interested in recording anything or making your own or, doing some sort of photo shoot or video shoot or, if you have an opinion and you want to express it and you want to use the resources that we have available or whatever, then let me know. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is a learning process and I'm here for you. So just don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will definitely see you soon with more content, especially if I gave you a card and you subscribe today. Appreciate you. Hello YouTube world, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop hot content like this, and stay tuned for the next video.